So to check the engine coolant level, you wanna, once you open the hood, on the left side here, the passenger side, you have the overflow reservoir. And if you look at the side here, there's a couple of marks. There's a maximum line here, where it's right here basically, and there's this right here where it says low. There's this line right here. You can see we're just a little bit below the low line. You want to make sure the engine has cooled down. Once the engine has cooled down, you can come here and remove the cap by turning it counterclockwise. Mixture of antifreeze and distilled water. Typically it's going to be 50-50, but it can vary depending on the climate. And then you want to add that until you come to the full line. Right here, you don't want to overfill above that. And that's it. Very simple to check that engine coolant level on a Toyota Rav4. Thank you for watching.